a pee yet?
I don't know. Mia, did you pee yet? You good girl.
Confía outside, Mimi.